Have you been struggling to extend the functionalities of your OpenCart store and are unsure how to integrate the features seamlessly? If yes, then you are in the right place. Many users find the module installation process a bit difficult, especially with the new updates in version 4. Here we are with this step-by-step guide that will make it easy for you to enhance your store with the latest module, ensuring a successful installation every time. So let's dive in, but before that, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated for the latest content.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. I am Anchana Rawat and today we are going to learn the essential process of running an e-commerce store, that is module installation. So today I am going to tell you how we are going to upload a module or install a module in our OpenCart 4. So once you purchase the module either from your OpenCart marketplace or from our Webkul store, you must get the OCMod file with that. So here you can see we have the OCMod file. In most of our modules, you only receive the OCMod file, but in case we have the another folder with that, then what we need to do is we have to copy the folder and paste it in our OC folder. So once you are done with this, now let's proceed with the OpenCart. So this is the OpenCart version 4 and we are going to show you install the module in this. So today I'm going to install OpenCart pre-order module. So let's see how we are going to do this. So let's go to the extension and after extension we will go to the installer. Here on the upper right corner you can see the upload tab here, file here. So let's open it and you can see a success message here. This extension have been uploaded. So once this is done, you can see the module installed in the list below. So installed extension list is here and you can see the pre-order module here. So just click on this plus sign here and you can see a progress bar showing that the module has been installed successfully. Now the next step will be you need to go to the system, users and user group. Here we have to give permission for the extension. So let's edit and give the extension permission here. So I will give the access for all. You can see it here, like we have the pre-order extension here. Okay, now let's save it. So once you save it, now we will go to the extension and here we need to go to the modules. In modules, you will find the name of this module which we have installed, that is Pre-Order Pro. Now let's click on the plus sign and install it here. Once you completed with this installation, you need to you need to do the configuration. Yes, edit it and do the configuration. So here we will do the configuration of the module. So once you are done with the configuration, you can see the success message here. Now let's refresh the page. And once we refresh, you can see the pre-order module installed here. So this is how you can install the module successfully in your OpenCart 4.
So that's how you can install module in your OpenCart 4. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or even you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. That was much for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.